Hey, let's talk father to father, because the cost of living is going up yet again, and your need to have multiple income streams is very real indeed. And I've got 3 videos that are going to show you exactly how you can have multiple income streams and add to what you're already doing. Just click somewhere around this video and tell me where to send them. I'm glad you're listening, because working and providing for a family's needs is the basic necessities that a father can do. Luckily, this year is totally within your power to make sure that your family isn't struggling. The answer? To work for yourself by starting an online business. These 3 videos will show how anyone could be successful with step-by-step training taking you from start to launch. Click for your free copy. Because online business is the simplest and cheapest way to add or replace your income. But the amount of free time is what you get, is where the real payoff is going to be. And once you know this process, you can repeat it again and again, meaning that for once, you are the limit to how much you want to earn. Get your free videos now and learn these simple steps to online business. It will change your life.